In today's lesson, we will be discussing about the endocrine system. The coordination in organisms are maintained by both nervous system and the endocrine system. The nervous system that is responsible for nervous coordination conveys messages to different organs and tissues via nerve impulses, whereas the endocrine system does this via chemicals known as hormones. So the coordination mediated by the endocrine system is called chemical coordination. The body's response to nerve impulses are rapid and short-lived. On the contrary, the response to hormones is usually slower and longer-lasting. Endocrine glands, also called ductless glands, release hormones directly into the bloodstream. Via blood, hormones reach organs or tissues that they act on called target organs or tissues. Let us consider the characteristics of hormones. They are organic compounds. They can be either proteins and peptides or lipids. As we discussed earlier, they are transported through blood. They are produced at one site and they act on another site. They stimulate target organs and cells to perform certain tasks. And for this, they are needed in very small concentrations. The major endocrine organs in our body include the hypothalamus, the pituitary, thyroid gland, pancreas, adrenal glands, and gonads. Females have ovaries as their gonads, while males have testes as their gonads. Let us discuss about the functions of these glands as endocrine organs. The hypothalamus is located at the base of the brain. It makes hormones that control the pituitary gland. For example, it releases growth hormone releasing hormone that stimulates the pituitary gland to secrete the growth hormone. The pituitary gland is located near the bottom of the hypothalamus. As mentioned earlier, the pituitary gland secretes the growth hormone that increases protein synthesis and stimulates the growth of body tissues and long bones. The thyroid is a bilobed gland located at the front of the neck, below the larynx, the Adam's apple. It produces thyroxine that regulates the metabolism throughout the body. It also secretes calcitonin that reduces the calcium level in blood. The pancreas is located behind the stomach in the bend of the duodenum of the small intestine. It secretes insulin and glucagon that regulates the blood glucose level. Insulin secreted by the beta cells of the pancreas converts glucose into glycogen, whereas glucagon secreted by the alpha cells of the pancreas converts glycogen into glucose. Adrenal glands are located above the kidneys and they produce adrenaline that acts on various body tissues to prepare the body for a fight or flight response during an emergency. Ovaries in females are located below the kidneys and they produce estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is required for the development of female secondary sexual characteristics and development of eggs. Progesterone prepares the body for a fertilized egg and helps maintain pregnancy. Testes in males are located outside the abdominal region. They produce testosterone, which is responsible for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics and spermatogenesis. So that's all you got to learn about the endocrine system. Thank you and have a good day.